Good morning students, this is 11th class biology chapter 7 structural organization in animals. Today we will discuss the homework solutions of lecture 3 and after that an assignment is given that you need to do today. So this is question number 7 of NCERT that was given as homework, and question is what are the following and where do you find them in animal body. So first of all you need to tell about axons. So this is the answer. An axon is a long slender projection of neuron or nerve cell, you can say, right? The long slender projection of the axon is of the neuron or nerve cell is called axon. They are present throughout the body because nerve cells are present throughout our body. So we can say axon are also present throughout our body. They emerge from the cytone. Cytone is the cell body part of axon. Okay, there are different parts of neuron. So cytone or cell body is the part of neuron from which axon emerge and are responsible for conduction of nerve impulses away from cell body. So axons are responsible for the conduction of nerve impulse, or you can say for the conduction of signals, electric signals away from the cell body. In the cell body dendrites are attached. Those dendrites capture the stimuli and then that signal is transmitted or conducted through axons. This is answer of question number 9 part B, difference between cardiac muscle and striated muscle. So cardiac muscles are involuntary muscles and these muscles never gets fatigued because these cells are found in our heart and heart muscles never gets fatigued. They work continuously, while striated muscles, they are voluntary in function and hence gets fatigued sooner. So striated muscle get fatigued while cardiac muscle never gets fatigued. Cardiac muscles are found in our heart and striated muscles are found in triceps, limbs and our biceps. The next is cardiac muscle have branched fibers while striated muscles are unbranched. Fibers means muscle fibers, right? So unbranched muscle fibers are found in striated muscles while branched muscle fibers are found in cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are uninucleated, means one nucleus is present in one cell, in one muscle fiber. So these are uninucleated muscle fibers. While in striated muscle fibers are multinucleated, means more than one nucleus is found in one muscle fiber. So these are multinucleated and these are uninucleated. These are differences between cardiac muscle and striated muscle. Next is question number 10 of NCERT, and here you need to tell odd one in each series. So A part of this question is areolar tissue, blood, neuron and tendon. So tell the odd one in this series. So here answer is neuron, because it is not a connective tissue, while the all others like areolar tissue, blood and tendon, these are connective tissues, while neuron is not a connective tissue. Next is RBC, WBC, platelets and cartilage. Here the odd one is cartilage. So answer is cartilage because it is not part of our blood, right? While all other like red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets, these are found in blood. These are components of blood. Next is exocrine, endocrine, salivary gland and ligament. Here answer is ligament because it is connective tissue, whereas the rest are glands like exocrine gland, endocrine gland, salivary gland. So all these are glands, while ligaments are not gland, these are connective tissue. Now assignment is given here, so do this assignment today.